What's up guys, I'm making another video. Today I will be playing Rivals. I'm gonna quickly do one thing. So let's just hop right into it. I'm going to play Rivals ranked. And I'm sorry, for me the it's it's the morning for me. But I think today I'm going to grind for the glorious sniper. We got gold glorious sniper actually. But if I equip that glorious sniper, like look at that. So I'm gonna be grinding rank to get the glorious sniper. But right now I have wait quickly. Right now I have okay. Not even see. I think I have unlocked like one thing right now. I'm actually going to have to grind. I need wins. Oh my god, I just realized how many wins I need. Never ban first, always ban last. Right. So I'm a ban. Yeah, those are annoying. But at least I got my sniper. So I'm really good with the sniper. And if you want, you can check out my video that I just posted. Dude. Oh, he's actually like my rank. Oi oi. Chat, I might be cooked. Okay, I'm not even streaming. But I might be cooked. Yeah, I'm cooked. Okay, this is a fair 1v1 to be honest. Ooh, yeah, I'm actually going to play it safe now. And there goes my final. Ooh, nice shot. That was actually a nice shot. Nice shot, bro. And if you want to 1v1 me, we can do a normal 1v1. But also we can do a 1v1 for a Skin Case 3, but I cannot. But I can't always do a 1v1 for Skin Case 3. Oh, damn, is actually good. It's actually good. I need to watch out, to be honest. Oh no. What? Oh no. I don't like like that he's dancing on me. I don't really have like emotes. Oh, I need to cook now. Whew. Yeah, I'm actually going to need to play it safely. Oh crap. Oh no, that's not good. That's not good at all. Oh no. I might lose this actually. Yeah, I think I'm gonna lose this. Please no. No. I'm gonna do a rematch. I'm gonna do a rematch. Oh, she want to rematch? No. Oh no, that was actually so bad. Yeah, now I know do not pick station. Yeah. Well, my friend explosion just beat a hard demon. I don't know what I'm on. I'm not. He beat the pressure. Yeah, I knew that. Is it about the sniper? I'm actually so mad at you. You stupid. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna use the burst rifle then. Because the burst is actually really good if you know how to use it. Like, this is my loadout. To be honest, this is a really good loadout. As you can just freeze them and do that. Yeah, no matter if they're low rank, do not underestimate them. They can just be really good, but like not to playing rank really. Like much. Oh no. It's over for me. Remember, if you take the L on me, I look in. Bro is not tough. Bro is not tough. Bro thinks he's tough. Yeah. If you take the L on me, I will actually look in. So don't take L on me. Only if you're a really good player. My mouse. Oh yeah, dagger spamming. Okay. Yeah, dagger spamming. Now he's gonna take the L on me. Yeah, I knew it. Oh, that's just annoying that he dagger spam. If like he's dagger spamming and then he just takes the L on you. That's just annoying. Brush. see if he wants to do a rematch. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 more I can get. Okay, but let's. Yeah, he doesn't want to. Let's see my rank. But now I switch to the sniper. Oh, the sniper is actually clean. Wait, I need to see the katana. Damn, that is also really clean. But I'm aiming for the sniper right now. Not the spray, the sniper. I'm tired. Let me see my daily. Oh yeah. Can anyone maybe if banana sniper? If if you want to, I could do a 1v1 on the hexagon bundle. But I cannot gift it like really fastly. But I will work to earn money to get Robux to gift if I lose. So comment if you want to 1v1. But I actually think that this is going to be it. So goodbye. Oh.